Hey guys, welcome back to more creative solutions, and it's less than 24 hours till I take the bus away to London and then off to Uganda, and I thought I'd drop in and print this bad boy. It's about 2.5 meters long and it's called the Borehole. It's 37 children photographed, and it's taken over 45 layers to create the final image, but hopefully the next time you see it, it will actually be pinned up in front of the borehole, surrounded by a load of kids that are just laughing at themselves for being in the picture. At least they'll finally see what it looks like. So there it is, getting rolled up, and look forward to showing you it in maybe about a week, I reckon. Who's Bill? Where's Bill? You Bill? You want to be Bill? Yes. Yeah, this is not Bill, but it's Bill. Welcome to Bill's Digital Photo Lab in Ginger in Uganda. We've come all the way from Launceston in England, and we're just about to print 25 sets of these. We're going to chop them in half, so we've got 50 small prints of the borehole to give to all the children that are in the picture. So this is the bit where it all goes wrong and somebody loses a finger. Not my fault. No liability whatsoever. Oosh. The real Bill. So that's it. The journey for the borehole is almost complete. We've got 50 copies of the print on artboard, so it's nice and tough. I'm not sure what happened to this one. Someone's missing some ground, but it's been an interesting journey, and I'm looking forward to this afternoon for all the kids to see it and to give them back the print so they can keep it and take it home. Thanks, boss. Allez, c'est beau. So to make this a bit easier, we've decided to use this hedge on the back garden. We're using banana fibres as rope. And let's just see what happens. Might be one in the middle.
Steady. Shukrani yoboibwa ino watu.
You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run. But I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
You're in the same dress in there. borehole image is up, and this is what's happening around the corner. It's up on the hedge opposite the actual borehole, which has changed quite a lot. There's now no more fence there, and there it is. A lot of the kids have come and collected their small print, but I'm super chuffed that it's worked out and I've brought it back. And yeah, see what's next.